Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix Instagram not selecting more than 10 photos. So let's start. If you have this problem, I will leave you two tips for fixing it. So the first one is going to Play Store and check if there is no an update for your app. Sometimes if you have an update and you can do it right now, so it maybe have troubles with the app, so you have to check first that. And well, as you can see here, I have Instagram and I have an update available. So you have to check here and click on update. If you don't have an update and no appears open the app, so let's try the next thing. Okay, let's go to Instagram icon, just keep press and just click on app info. And here on app info, just click here on clear all data. Just click here all data and then try to again open Instagram. You have to go and write your username and password once again. But believe me that when you clear all data, all the troubles or the problems with the app will be fixed because this will give you a refresh. So I recommend you to do it. I hope one of those tips helps you to fix the problem. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumbs up to this video.